Yo, what is good, YouTube? How you guys feeling today? How you guys doing today? If you guys don't know, you guys should know it is a back testing video. You know what I'm saying? We are back testing today, but today I'm just gonna show you guys quickly how I charted out my how I charted out the market for the following week that's coming up. Everything's looking good. I'm looking to find some buy positions, target all-time highs. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, we're gonna have a good trading week. We're gonna have a great trading week next week. You know what I'm saying? Next week is my birthday week, so we finna go crazy. If we find positions, we find positions. If we don't find positions, we don't find positions. That is okay. Excuse me, sorry. Because at the end of the day, it's okay. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna be situated. We're gonna be good, and yeah, we're gonna have a great trading week. You guys are gonna have a great trading week. Let's get started with this video, though. We're gonna do a continuation of what we did last time because apparently, it was literally in a week, and we only managed to find 2 positions during that week. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna continue with the current balance that I had previously. I managed to get the account to 50,800. We started with 49,000, if you guys forgot. And yeah, we're just gonna keep it pushing. We are going to keep it pushing. We are going to keep it pushing and see if we could grow the account more. You know what I'm saying? I need to get rid of that 7.5. Alright, perfect. Good. Because if I'm ever gonna look for a range, it's either gonna be in the OTE range. I'm looking for longs. Let me see if we could get like a little better retracement. But we are gonna start this video off looking to find. We're gonna see what's gonna happen. I really have no type of idea what specifically is gonna happen. But as you see here, you could definitely look for a short position if price manages to. Hold on, where is it? Trying to find it. There we go. If price manages to come in, sweep this liquidity, we could definitely look for some short positions, target down here as our next area of our next target area. So let's continue. Let's see what happens. I have like my little trend line here. This is all the way in 2024 of October. So we did last year of October. We're gonna do basically the whole month of October and see how price action is in Q4 last year. Yeah, let's see what happens. Nice. Oh, oof. Oh, damn. Alright, so you can find the damn. I mean, to be honest, I'm actually glad that I'm not looking to find a position there. We're gonna see what happens. We broke this. We created a inverse fair value gap. I'm gonna hold this. I want to see it on all intervals just to give me that confirmation. But what was this? What was this opening? No, it wasn't. Bruh, I need to start doing that. I need to start doing the opening. But let's see what happens on the 15-minute. Actually, we kind of disrespected. I'm not going to wait for a retracement like we can, but I'm already knowing that price already not only swept this high, we just took this high, but we also respected down here. We took this area of liquidity, so we could definitely look for some shorts and probably just target down here. These little internal liquidity ranges. Probably see what price does in these ranges. You know what I'm saying? See if it respects it. Come down to this trend line and probably take TP around this trend line. But I'm looking to take TP at these lows because if you see here on the higher time frame, if we go on the higher time frame, we have created a great change in the state of delivery. So it looks like we're moving bearish. As you see here, price came. I'm gonna assume this is all-time highs. No, it's not. Yeah, this is definitely not even all-time highs. So we're definitely just moving down. Bias going into the day is a bearish bias. Let's see if we could create we created multiple, but I want to see price retrace into something before we enter. So I'm gonna change and move this into like 5-minute time frame range. See what's gonna happen. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, that's so beautiful. We could enter. But hold on. We created a change in the state. What I'm looking for now is a slight retracement before we go down. So if we could tap into like, yes, if we could tap into this beautiful fair value gap right here, I'm most likely gonna go short because I don't want to just enter off of. We might be missing a position here, but that's okay if we do. Okay. Seems like we're consolidating. Boom. Ah, perfect, 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 perfect. All right, cool. Let's go short. Stop loss above this high. TP. We could target. I'm not gonna lie. I'm going crazy. I'm going for that position. I'm definitely looking to target down here. You take partials over here. This could be our TP1, TP2. Definitely looking to take partials here. But hold on. Let me just look at the higher time frame. See if if anything has not been held. We have liquidity points right here, so we could have these areas that end. We could take partials here. But I'm definitely looking to go bearish. Hold on. Let me have my execution. Let me move my stop loss up here. Boom. I usually like to go for a 1 to 2. This is a spacious yeah, 1 to 2 is fine. All right. Boom. I swear, I promise you before the video started, I literally tried to adjust this. I swear I tried to adjust this. My 20,000 031.25. Wait. Oh, wait. Hold on. Yeah, we gotta do that again. Thank you. Thank you. Whew, that was a lot. Talk to me. Alright, let's watch this play out. Alright, boom. It might hit my stop loss. Alright, we probably got stopped out here. Alright, we got stopped out. Alright, cool. We'll see what happens. We lost that trade. Let's move on. Okay. Looks like we might finally be breaking out. Okay. Boom. Tapped into this. 15. Respected it. Created strong displacement to the downside on the 15. Alright, so yeah, we could probably go short again. Because I was looking to go short regardless, so I'm looking to go short at the end of the day. Stop loss here, TP. All the way down here. All the way down here. Stop loss. Yes, yes, sir, yes, sir. Alright, so now we're gonna see what's gonna occur now. Let's try again. We're good. If not, we're just gonna have to go to new day opening. I should have just done this. Oh, it got me in a buy, bro. It has me in a buy. I gotta 3. Nice. Nice. Okay, let's go. Oh, damn. So what in the... Is this market open? I don't know. But I could take some profit from here because we did hit one of our zones, but I'm looking for it to hit the next. I probably am going to de-risk a little bit, though. Oh, okay. Damn, we hit our next point, but damn. Okay, well, since we hit both points, honestly, I would just target this zone. Let's just watch it play out, to be honest. Let's just watch it play out. Price looks like it's consolidating. We're in a choppy zone. I probably would just take partials and call it a day. But then again, I gotta stick to my rules. No, I gotta stick to my rules at all point in time. Seems like we're gathering liquidity and we might be shooting up. So if anything, just go break even. Go break even, and if we could take partials, I'd do that, but it's whatever. Yeah, go break even. Oh, it was playing at my stop loss. Yo. Okay, but we went break even on that trade, which was smart because it did tap into one of my zones. I was looking for price to come in and tap in down there, but unfortunately, boom. You know what I'm saying? But that's okay. We could have taken some money there, but to be honest, it's honestly fine. Let's actually go to next day open because thank you. Finally. Let's go to next day open. See what we got to look at. To be honest, this is most likely being disrespected. We just took liquidity here, which is good because now that means we could look for a long position. We definitely just had an inverse for value gap. We had a strong move up to the upside. So we could put our little swing high, swing low, because price definitely just created that. We just took the high right here. We just took liquidity. So now let's see what price is about to do on the 1 hour. Now actually 15 seems better. Let me have this here because I need to make sure that if I'm taking a trade, it's gonna be an OTE. But yeah, nice. What I'm looking for is if price could potentially take this low, which is following a. Is this a 15 or a 30? Yeah, 30, 15, whatever minute. Well, actually, I feel like the 1 hour looks better if I'm being honest. Yeah, coming into this 1 minute, or if anything, we could just combine these two for value gaps, which would be perfect because this is not only in the 50% mark of our range, we could definitely look to take shorts here. I mean longs here. I apologize. Take that liquidity. Take it. Take it. It wants to take it. It wants to take. Didn't take it. That's okay. That's okay. That is okay. We're still shooting for the stars, aiming for the moon. My thing is, what did price enter for it to constantly respect that? I don't know. But it will make more sense. That's usually how my strategy is. Wait for price to retrace it to a zone. So, what time is it now? It's about 3 o'clock. So, it took quite some time. Price was just gathering liquidity, moved up. It's about 3 o'clock. So, let's go to the next day open. No trade that day. Okay. Now we're at the next day open. We have a bunch of liquidity. We do not need this no more because we already surpassed that. We do not need this no more because we already surpassed that. We can now use, we don't need this no more because we already created a new high. So the next thing that we could do is use this as our range. And if price manages to come down into this range, take this low again, which also would be very well respected with a beautiful internal order. We could look to take longs. So let's see what price is doing. Don't tell me October price action was horrible last year. Because, damn, not even coming into our range. Alright, we're dropping. It's not even taking liquidity. Okay, we could consider this, but we can't because it hasn't even tapped into that yet. Boom. Boom. Nice. We have tapped into this range, but I don't want to. This isn't my setup, so I would normally not take this because we did not create anything new. So unless we consider this our swing low and this is our swing high, I probably would not consider that. Nothing really in my favor. Oh, nice. Okay, boom. Tapped into the range. Now what I need to see is a change in the state. On 3, let's move to the 3-minute time frame. Respect this. Let me see if we can respect this. If we respect this, then we're looking nice. Boom, respected, very well respected. Go long. Stop loss below. Yeah. Stop loss below TP up here. Usually go for the body, but let's see if we could take the wick. Gotta at least be something that we could receive. It could be like a 1-to-1 for anything. Alright, let's go. Place order. Lot size 3. No, I'm not trying to do that. Stop loss 2. 2. Alright, cool. What? Damn. That was harsh. Don't tell me now the move's about to happen. If the move's about to happen, we might have another position. Because that actually, I should have genuinely waited for this liquidity to be taken. Because realistically, this is really where the move would happen. And if that's the case, we just lost right there. So that could be an even better position because price action looks strong. Let me go on the 1 minute just for the extra confirmation. We broke above that. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We're going long. Going long. Sorry. Stop loss below. If anything, we could target these highs. Break even up here. Alright. And then let the trade just run. Alright, let's go. Stop loss down here, risking a good amount. TP all the way up here. Let's go. Nice, choppy. Very, very choppy in October, man. Damn. Alright, we won that one, but that was so choppy. Still got a good delivery, though. Strong delivery. I'm seeing what I must do, though. Best I wait for liquidity to be taken before I go long. But good trade. My fault, sorry. Move on to the next day opening. I think this would have to be our last trade, because I'm not gonna lie. When was this trade taken? We took this trade at when? Oh damn, we took this trade at like damn. Trade took a little minute. But yeah. Best I wait for the liquidity to be taken. I think today we might not even have an opportunity for real. Looks choppy. Let's see what's gonna happen though. On the 5 minute, we have liquidity points down here. We can use this as a zone. We could also use that. We could also use this as an order block, but I don't really want to consider the order block mainly because it really hasn't created a gap. So I don't want to consider this an order block. This might be a failed one. But if we could take this liquidity, yeah, I'm not going to lie. I don't think we have much of an opportunity, but we do have lots of liquidity stored down here that has not been taken. So let's say we take that liquidity. All these areas, all these lows, you know what I'm saying? If we take that liquidity, let's get rid of that. Probably just going to look to go long, but let's see what's going to happen. Boom. Oh, we gotta, what is this, a new day opening gap? This gap has to get filled. Interesting. Don't need that no more because we have a new range. Don't need that no more. I forgot to move my stop to break even. I dead forgot, but you know. To be honest with you, I don't really think I might have an opportunity today. Yeah, choppy. My thing is, we did take this high, but oh shoot, I didn't even see that. We had an opportunity just now. Cause we could have this high was taken, and it was also we had a short opportunity. I did not even see that. Nah, it's okay. It's honestly fine. I was looking for longs anyway. But yeah. We had an opportunity up here. At a 5 minute after we just took the liquidity, could have went for like a little short after this entry right here into this gap. You know me, I gotta have my stop loss like through the stars, and then TP would probably be down here. But I want to see how this is gonna play out. I'm not gonna lie. So let's see what happens. Oh, oh, oh! That actually was tough. That was tough. Let's watch it take all areas of liquidity. It's already like, yeah, beautiful though. Time is looking nice. Um, wait, is this Friday at 3 in the morning or at, I don't even know. And now we have all these internal highs, which is kind of sad because it's like these are all points that we could really target, and this is definitely areas that price is looking to target. So yeah, let's see what happens. We could probably find a position. Nice. I want to see how it reacts, and if we could get a fill into this because we just changed the state of delivery. If you see here, beautiful. Wow. Okay. I don't like that reaction. Yep. I did not like that reaction. Give me another confirmation and I'll probably go long. Nice. Sweep that. Nice. And now we're not, yeah, now we're just dropping. Now we're just dropping. We missed the entry. That's really it. We just missed the entry. We had a short entry, but unfortunately, whoa! We had a long, bruh. Actually, that could have been news. Oh, bro, it's because of the time. I just missed 2 entries. Man. Oh well. Uh, I guess we just gotta go to the next day. It's fine. Let's remove all this. Look like clump. What's the next day? Monday. What's this? This is Friday. Monday at 9. All right, cool. Let's just point that out so we can just remember. Monday at 9. Bruh, I swear this time thing be hoeing me, dude. All right, cool. Boom. I should have looked at the left, because if I looked at the left, I would have seen we had a gap. We had a 5 minute gap, which is perfect for my setup. I'm not even gonna lie. I see my setup a couple of times today. But this just goes to show my strategy does work in different years. I'm not gonna lie, October price action was actually not even that bad, if I'm being honest with you. But yeah. So let's say we do take liquidity in this 1 hour gap. We have a 1 hour. We have liquidity in this 1 hour gap, so I could look for longs in that potential area, or down here if price wants to disrespect it. But if we're being honest here, we're kind of in some consolidation because we don't really have no type of movement to the upside. But yeah, let's see what happens. Beautiful. We just took that high. Beautiful. Now, okay, I was about to say better. I'm trying to figure out if we're. Oh, we're shooting for the stars and aiming for the moon. Okay, now let's look to the left. Because to the left now, to the left, if we look to the left, we have these areas right here which we could target. Boom. Bam. Bop. Beautiful, beautiful. We just took this high as well, so we don't really have to worry about that. $15-minute time frame. Let's go back to 15. All right. So it looks like we're having a change in the state. Seems like price is respecting that. See if we have a gap or something that we could use as a reference. We have this huge gap with a bunch of liquidity stored into it, so we could use this as a gap that has been respected. Could it be a daily, if anything? Nah, not a daily, but a 4 hour. so let's see what price does. Definitely looking to drop. If we're looking to drop, looking for a short. Find that confirmation. Kind of already tapped in. Yeah, we're consolidating. I'm just going to assume we're grabbing liquidity. Anything we could take this high, drop. What time is it still? It's... Oh, we already passed our time. We probably have to go to the next day open. Because it's like what? Yeah. Yeah, next day open. We didn't have a trade here today. Nothing was our setup today, so we could not have traded. I was not going to trade continuations because that's not really how I trade. I could do continuations, but I'm not going to trade continuations because I have to prove to myself that I could at least stick to my own rules. But, yes, let us continue, see what happens. Next day opening all the way over here. No, it's not. I'm over here pushing price. I'm over here pushing the time. Like, why? All right. Boom. What's going on, yo? What? All right, whatever. Cool. You're just consolidating. Interesting. Interesting. Next hour. Boom. All right. So now we're here. And now we definitely don't know what price is trying to do, but we could tell that liquidity was being grabbed and we are no longer moving higher. We might just be shifting, changing the state and going bullish. Bro, like when I go to a different time frame, why doesn't it just follow with me? Instead of making it like confusing. Drop. Nice. Nice. This is perfect. Exactly what I was looking for. Take all this liquidity, please. Just take it. It's yours, I promise you. It's literally yours. Alright, cool. I was looking to go short no matter what. Oh! Alright, let's go break even. Alright, let's go. So now we brought the account to 51. Boom. Okay. Now we gotta go to the next day opening again. Okay. Yeah, I think it's just better to trade New York session because any other session just looks trash. Cause what? But I was thinking to go short no matter what because we took liquidity and we tapped into a gap with liquidity in it. You know, that literally just gives even more confirmation that we're moving strong. So let's move on to the next day. How long did this trade take? Oh, interesting. All right, move on to the next day. All right, cool. We already took all these areas of liquidity, so we don't need to have this marked. Wait. Hold on. Alright, yeah, we don't need this. Don't need this. Alright, cool. First thing I gotta look for every single time I trade is a draw liquidity, so. Of where price is looking to go, we just swept all these areas right here, so we don't even really need to worry about that. If we do come into this range, I'm trying to see if we have a gap we could use or a gap that was formed. We could use this as an internal order block because we did create a gap above. Never been tapped in, hasn't been respected. We could use this. We could use this. We could definitely use this to go long. Not gonna lie. All right, cool. Nice. I want to see the reaction in this zone. Nah, this heater getting dumb hot. Oh my god. Jeez. Alright. Nice. Good reaction. Honestly, I feel like it's best I wait. Only reason why I'm saying that is because I feel like liquidity might get taken. Maybe at this low, but it honestly seems like we took a lot. So, if anything, is there an inverse for a value gap on the 5 minute? 3 minute? We have one on the 3 minute. Do I want to trust the 3 minutes? The real question. Because realistically, we still have this one that needs to be filled. So let's see what happens. Couldn't close above. See, I knew it. It's always something. Honestly, give it a chance. I'm going into a deeper time frame now. Nice, we had a good reaction. I'm going into a deeper time frame now. See, knew it. Nice. Alright, inverse that. I could look to go long. Because now we created a new low. And I'm going to go long into, not that, this. That might take a minute to fill though, realistically. So I might just look to taking TP at a gap, if anything. One of these gaps. So I'll probably look to take TP like around here, see if we tap into one of these gaps. Because regardless of it, we still have to remember that we had this. Was this news? I'm going to assume that was news. So regardless of it, I might just take TP at the 50% range, see what happens there. Yeah, take TP at the 50-cent range, probably go break even up here or something. But I'll probably let the runners run if it goes crazy. But yeah. Stop loss down here. Yeah, okay. 3. Be honest, we might take out that liquidity for if anything, but who knows. This might be this is my first TP, but I'm looking to just see what happens. Is there a hold on. I want to know how to take partials. Whatever. Just watch. See what happens. Interesting. Interesting. Trying to see what's going on. Okay. So it seems like we're consolidating in this zone. Okay, boom. How do I take partials? Alright, whatever. I don't wanna close. I wanna let it continue running, but my thing is I genuinely have an issue with I'm trying to take alright, whatever. All right, but no, I don't want to do that. I want to take partials. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Then I'll just retake a partial if we come back into that area. All right, so what is it? 20, 20. I'll take partial profit there. What is it? 20.481, 20.272, 20.272. 50%, and then the other one is 20.481. Okay. Nice. We're taking partials there. Now we're going break even, and we're letting the rest of the trade play. Woo! Oh, nah. I'm sorry. I got dumb excited. Nah. Yo, this is mad fun. Oh my goodness, bro. Should I move up to the 1 hour? I'm moving up to the 1 hour, bro. I have anxiety. Yo, what? This is really how price be moving? Alright. Okay. Wait, I thought I took partials. Wait. I thought I took partials. Why? I swear my balance was like 300. I mean, it's 51.6. But yeah. Nah, that was fun. That was fun. Because realistically, I was not moving my stop loss up. I wanted to. I felt like it could have ran up, but honestly, it might just go hitting our TP now, if anything. Yeah, figured. Um. Okay, so we currently have 51.4k. Honestly, I'm gonna go for one more trade. Let's go to the next day opening. Next day opening. Next day opening. And this is gonna be my last trade. If I win, I lose. It's fun. But that was that was very fun. I'm not gonna lie. That was very fun. Cause like, bro, price came up, came down, came up, came down, came up. It was reach. It was itching my stop loss. It was itching my stop loss. But yeah, I swear I had 51.6. I went break even. I'm confused on. I hit partials. Okay. All right. Whatever. Uh yeah. This is gonna be my last trade. Let me get rid of this again. I don't even know how long this video has been. How long have I been trading? 41 minutes. I'm not editing this. I'm sorry. Y'all gonna have to see it through. Um. Okay. All right. Took this high. Took this high. Took this high. If only I could actually take partials. I would only do that if I'm like doing a prop firm. I mean, if I have my own live account and let the runners run type shit. But price action in October was not bad. I'm not gonna lie. It's really not bad. I actually favor it a lot. But yeah, honestly, understanding price action is really just understanding your drawn liquidity and what price is really looking to do. Boom. Bam. Bop. Looks like we're taking some liquidity. We definitely, if we're looking to go long, gotta come OT in the range. Gotta remember that. We can, because we not only have a opening gap right here with liquidity in here, we also technically have an inverse fair value gap. So this is very beautiful if price manages to come into this range, which created a crazy change in the structure. This would be very much respected, and I would look to go long here. So let's play it out. Let's see what happens. All right, liquidity down here. Nice reaction. Let's go into a lower time frame. I want to wait to see price create a new low. And I want to see what happens to these internal internal buy side liquidity areas. If we drop, then we drop. Nice. Ooh, it's respecting it fully. Nice, nice. Very nice. Very nice. We could add a position there, but it's okay. Not forcing it. Reason why I didn't want to do it, see? Oh, yes, because you see, that's that manipulation that I'm talking about that I gotta watch out for. Price loves to do that before it actually creates the real move. And look, just like that, TP was hit. That's beautiful, man. That's so beautiful. So beautiful. We're gonna see what happens though. I was looking for a deeper mitigation, but I also did see that sell side be formed, so I knew that once that sell side would form, I could definitely look for longs, but I didn't want to reach. I was not looking to reach that. But it looks very good though. I'm not gonna lie. October price action looks good. In my opinion, it looks good. Beautiful. We just tapped in. Oh, strong reaction. Very strong reaction. Did we tap into a zone per se? I just know we tapped into liquidity. So nice. Looks like we're going for all-time highs. Took that liquidity there, instantly went up, but that's scary. It's not the type of liquidity I would personally go for. Looks like we're inversing. We created a we created an inverse. Would prefer to see a retracement. Alright, let's see what happens. Nice reaction. Let's see what happens there. Bro, I swear they need to stop because I could have just lost the position just now. Nice reaction. Very strong reaction. Took the liquidity and had a great reaction. Short. Targeting these lows. Targeting these. Yes, targeting this. Targeting this low. I'll take my base hit. Targeting this low. Targeting this low. Yeah, see what happens. Alright, let's place order. 3. Stop loss here. TP down here. I think it's because it's a small trade, but that's not how much I'm trying to risk. Trying to risk. All right, 7 contracts, bro. Okay, like. Break even here. I'm gonna speed it up. Let's watch this. I like the anticipation. All right, I'm low key. I low key don't like the anticipation. All right, cool. Last trade. Hit TP. Still working on it. Trust me, still working on the feeling, man. It's a very annoying feeling that I have. But yeah, TP was hit. Now we have brought the account to 51.9. Looking nice, looking very nice. And that's going to be our last trade for today. we're going to continue to grow this account. We have managed to bring this account to 51.9. We have 1.1 left to go. I swear it was at 51.6. I know it was, but I'm going to watch the video just to look back at it. But yeah, 51.9. How do I check my win rate? I don't know how to do that. To be honest, I don't really care. Yeah, I really don't care, if I'm being honest. Oh, analytics. Whatever. All right, so we had a 57.14 win rate. We lost 4 trades. We lost 3 trades, won 4, and had 4 break even. We did? Huh? Oh shit! All right, cool. Yeah. You know, progress makes progress, bro. I promise you, my win rate was like a, like a maybe like a 60, maybe like a no. My win rate is like probably like a 30, maybe 20, but that's honestly because of me. But I'm not gonna lie, this looks very good though. We lost, bro. I thought we lost like one time. We lost 600. I'm gonna have to look back at this, but we definitely managed to grow the account more. So that's regardless of it, that's great. Um, I'm definitely watching back this video because I don't think I lost this much, but maybe I'm bugging. We managed to bring the account to 51.94, which is great. Um, that's amazing, man. 57.4 win rate, and yeah, we lost some trades. We won some trades today, but it doesn't really matter because at the end of the day gotta end, and it's gonna end strong. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys. We're definitely gonna do this next week Sunday. We're gonna keep doing it every single week. Yeah, man. Always and just love. Thank you.